Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvis. In the previous video we have learned that how you can create a nice grid layout in Pyside2. This is our 14th video, and in this video I want to show you that how you can create a calendar. So now let's get started. I have created a new Python file, and I'm going to just copy my window code from here and paste it in here. This is just a simple window code, and now I want to change the title to Pyside2 calendar. Okay, so we need some imports for our calendar. We need a QCalendar widget, we need a QVBox layout. So let me create a new method in here. I call it div. You can whatever you want, but I want to give it create calendar. First we need to create the object of our VBox layout, because we are going to add our calendar to the vertical box layout. Now we need to create the object of calendar, a QCalendar widget. And now if you want so now let me just first VBox dot add widget. Now we want to add our calendar to the vertical box layout, and at the end you need to set your layout. So self dot set layout to the VBox layout, and also you need to call your method in here. So self dot create a calendar. Now if I run this, you can see that I have a nice calendar, and this is today is 4th November 2019, and you can we have for different years calendars. But if you see we don't if you want to set a grid visible to this, you can do this in here. You can simply write self.calendar dot set grid visible and make this to true. So it takes a boolean variable. By default it's false, but we are going to make it true. And now you will see that we will have the grids in this calendar. So thank you guys. I will add a source code to the video description. It was a short video. If you have any question, please let me know. And for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video.